It begins here, a tannery loading dock. Raw, salted hides flies just arrived. Salted to preserve, rough to the touch. Nothing here suggests what it will become.
Not every hide makes the cut. Only the finest surface area moves forward.
First, rehydration. The salt is drawn out. The hide begins to soften. Submerged for hours. The transformation has already begun, invisibly. Every trace of tissue is removed. The hide is being prepared, layer by layer. An alkaline bath strips every hair follicle. What emerges looks nothing like what went in. Chemistry controls everything here. The wrong balance destroys months of work. Inside these drums, chrome salts and chemistry will do what nothing else can. They will permanently transform the hide into leather. For hours, the drum turns. Inside Duad, the chemistry binds permanently to every fiber.
Wet blue. The industry calls it that for a reason. The hide is leather now, permanently. There is no going back.
Excess water is pressed out. Then, a precision blade splits the hide to an exact, uniform thickness. The color that will define the finished wallet is being set coolant, deep inside a rotating drum, in absolute darkness.
Oils and emulsifiers penetrate every fiber. Without this stage, the leather would crack within months. Stretched under tension and dried slowly novelisé, the leather locks into its final structure.
Mechanical action softens what chemistry alone cannot. The leather begins to feel like the luxury product it will become. A precise protective coating is applied, microns thin, but critical. It will guard the leather for decades. Every square centimeter is examined. Only leather that passes every standard moves to the next room.
Steel dies and hydraulic pressure. Every component cut to within a fraction of a millimeter. The edges are shaved to a precise taper. A wallet built without this step will never fold or stitch cleanly.
Every edge, painted by hand. A detail invisible to most, essential to the ones who know.
Every component accounted for. Every measurement verified. Assembly is about to begin.
Every square centimeter is examined. Only leather that passes every standard moves to the next room. Hardware set by hand. Flush. Permanent. A detail that defines the difference between a wallet and a luxury wallet. Hardware set by hand. Flush. Permanent. A detail that defines the difference between a wallet and a luxury wallet. Heat and friction compress the edge to a perfect finish. This is where industrial process ends and luxury begins.
Every wallet inspected by hand before it leaves this room. No exceptions, no shortcuts.
This is what the process produces. This is what the process protects. And this is what most people will never see behind.
Material, the same origin, separated only by process, precision, and the hands that understood what it could become. From a tannery loading dock to this, every luxury object has a hidden story. Now you also know this one.